Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Scratch Meet Edu tutorial how to change score by one in Scratch. So as example, I will add again another sprite. You can go to choose a sprite. So as example, use the apple, click here. And to set for the score, you can go to variable, make a variables and set the names like to score only for this sprite. Click OK. So will be show for the score in the top here. After it, if you want to move the objects, the sprite once, and then touching the apples, the score will be set to 1. So in here, I will go to the sprite one, and then click for the events when flag click. So I will move the spread ones to the position. Okay, click play will be set to the position every time you move. The next, use the control forever, and then if then for controlling key space like to the right arrow, and then we duplicate again. This is for the left arrow. Now will be change by x into tens, and then change by x minus 10. You can play, and then you can move the objects by using right and the left arrow to move. And if touching the apples will be set score to 1. So you can set against if, go to sensings, touching, change to the apple, and then go to variables, change score by 1. So if you play and then touching the apples, it will set the score. So you can see. And to set by ones, you can change again in it. Wait 1 second, and will be set by 1 if you the spread touching the apple like this. Okay, by 1. And if you want to play again and then reset to the 0, you can go to variables and then set the score to 0. So every time you click the flag, the score will be set to 0. And when sprite touching the apples will be set into 1 point like this. Okay, that's it for a basic Scratch Meet Edu tutorial how to change score by 1 in Scratch.